This QLCP tutorial is about how to access the configuration menu using the System Configuration USB port. Using the configuration menu, you can change system settings and restore these settings back to their factory defaults. You can monitor serial message traffic between the QLCP and the interlocking controller. And you can upload and download QLCP configuration files. All of these features are covered in separate tutorials. To access the QLCP configuration menu, you will need a PC with terminal emulation software such as Terraterm or PuTTY. This free open source software can be downloaded from the internet. You will also need a USB cable that has a Type A male connector on one end and a Type B male connector on the other end. When your computer is connected to the QLCP's USB port, the port will show up as a new COM port. Let's open Device Manager to see what COM ports are currently installed on this computer. We can see there is a port identified as COM4. When we power up the QLCP and connect the USB cable, we see a new COM port appear. For this QLCP, it is COM8. Now let's open Terraterm and connect to the QLCP. For your new connection, select Serial and the COM port for your QLCP. Then click on the OK button. Next, click on the Setup menu and choose Serial Port to configure your serial port settings. Set the baud rate to 57,600. The default settings for data, parity, stop, and flow control are correct. Click on the OK button. Hit the Enter key and the configuration menu title and password prompt should appear. The default password is password. After entering the password, you should see the main menu. Let's connect again using PuTTY. Open PuTTY and click on the Serial Radio button. Then enter the COM port name for your QLCP and 57,600 for the speed. Click on the Open button. Hit the Enter key and then enter the password.